We'll do a quick layout here on the material used. It's all wood. The cross pieces right here are 2x6s, and they're 3 feet long. There's 2 of them. Those are at the front and the back. This rear cross piece I just braced with a 2x4 on the side, just to give it a little bit extra strength, because that's where the backhoe is sitting, is back here. Then I have 2 2x4s which go down the length of this thing, and those are, what do we got there, 67 inches long, and I've got 2 of them. I kind of tapered them in so that they hug the backhoe right here in the middle. The bucket will sit right in between them, keep it from jostling around. I also got this extra space out here on the edge, so if I need to, I can put a hook or something and strap to the backhoe to make sure it stays pretty stable. But I mean, it feels pretty stable on here right now. Up at this end, I've got a 4x4 that I've notched out, and then I just used some scrap material I had laying around here to build up the height to what I needed on the to just get underneath the back of the frame there. And then there's just 4 5-inch casters that I got from Lowe's on rubber wheels. Now you might want 2 fixed and 2 swivel. I've got 4 swivel because I've got tight space. I don't have a lot of room in my barn, so I wanted to be able to maneuver around, but it might be easier to maneuver if it had 2 straight wheels or 2 fixed wheels and 2 swiveling. But that's it. Actually one piece of 2x6 and a couple 2x4s, maybe some scrap 2x4s, and you can have this done. The total cost is about 40 bucks and maybe a couple hours of time. Alright. What I did to begin here was that I mocked this up with blocks, and I got my distance that I needed underneath here, which is about 12 inches to support the back of this frame while the bucket lifted off. So I kind of mocked it all up in a dry run before I built this up. You might have to check these dimensions on your machine to see where things line up, but for reference, this is 12 inches. Alright, there it is. So it's off, it's sitting on the dolly now. Now I'll disconnect the lines. Let's see what we got here. There she comes across. So these are the hooks I was saying we need to make sure when you measure it, you got enough clearance to get through here. Other than that, pretty straightforward. Slide it right back into position. Now I don't have the best driveway. Actually, I've got a pretty bad driveway, so it's definitely not ideal location for this, but it does work. It works a lot better than the last dolly. No, it's just a one-person operation. So there you go. We got the dolly right here, all set up and ready to be used for a long time.